At Auto Alliance Thailand, more than 50 JAKA cobots operate in stations directly linked to the main production line. Consider the car door outer panel gluing line, for example. Industrial robots apply the adhesive and move the outer panel to other lines. A JAKA Zu18 cobot then quickly picks up another panel and places it onto the newly available gluing fixture. This coordination is both efficient and cost-effective. Here is another scenario, the car door window frame welding line. A Zu12 cobot picks up two door frame components and places them onto a rotating welding table. Once the table rotates to the opposite side, an industrial robot performs the spot welding. In this area, with its multiple material racks and limited space, JAKA Collaborative Robot is much more flexible and lightweight than a traditional industrial robot. This makes it ideal for quick changeovers between different product models and production tasks, making it a highly suitable solution for automating these compact lines.